Hello everyone, my name is Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today I am going to discuss about one of the case study of my subject, employable skill development and aptitude, verbal quantitative aptitude reasoning. So here I am going to discuss about the aptitude, how the aptitude skill for employability, a case study of the aptitude skill training analysis for the engineering and management students in India. So let us discuss one by one. Here it is one of the article which can be cited over here. So most of the engineering and management students take campus recruitment training to get placed in their dream company. We already know that. So almost every company in India takes online or offline test in their recruitment process. So here this test comprises of multiple choices question which are based on their aptitude skill. This study is mainly conducted to understand the impact of the teaching aptitude skills in the classroom of the engineering colleges. So as well as to improve the performance of the many engineering graduates in India. So it has been identified that many third year students are still lacking confidence to face their campus placements that are to take place in their final year of study. The students learns various domain skills in college, but they lack in quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning skill. So which is very essential from campus recruitment point of view. The student has to clear this test to move in further process where their domain knowledge and soft skill is tested. The paper helps to understand the need and bridge the gap of the aptitude skill training. Aptitude skill training given to the engineering and management students, which helps the students in clearing the online or offline test of the campus recruitment process. So here we are giving small introduction about the how the aptitude skill which can be used for the engineering graduates in India. So aptitude skills are very important component to measure the competence to do a certain work at the certain level. Companies will come for the recruitment, takes aptitude test for the students, which help them to understand the intelligence quotient and working efficiency. So aptitude is the natural talent which can be improved and developed by the giving proper training. An effective training program can enhance employee skill and enable them to perform better in their job. So aptitude tests are used to determine which takes that individual is more skilled at performing. It also helps to determine which jobs roles is the best fit for the employee or applicant. Aptitude tests inculcate many factors like numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning. So abstract reasoning, speed, accuracy, and other such abilities. Through aptitude tests, various management skills are also tested, such as time management, stress management, decision making skill, ability to change, etc. Training and aptitude skills simply does not mean that student has to be trained on method of solving questions, but also the they are about how and which question should be attempted. Learning aptitude skill also helps students in building their mental ability skill. So in India, students generally spend 3 or 4 years in the completing their graduation, which is nearly clearing more than 40 exam paper. But still, when it comes for the selection in campus, they fail. So the reason being various skills which are required in the industry is not taught to them in college. But many 2012 pointed out that if communication skill are not considered for the qualification or selection, the percentage of employable students will rise from 7 to 13%. In major surprise, more than 80% of the students do not meet the requirements of the problem solving skill. So to fill this gap, study has been conducted to understand the importance of quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning training and engineering and management students in campus placement. The study helps us to understand how the training quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning to engineering and management students can increase their chances of getting placed in the company. So Daggubati Vasant Chowdhury 2015 defines skill as the proficiency of being able to something practically rather than the knowing theoretically how to do it. for learning and acquiring skill, knowledge tells how to do and when to do. So skills are the capacities needed for doing a set of tasks. So the skills gap is the difference between the skills that employers want and those that are available from the workers looking for the job. So aptitude skill is very important for the engineering and management student, as they are future engineers and the managers who will be required to solve various complex situations, which a quick and complex decision is required. So up to this, we will see how the aptitude skill in the case study of aptitude skill training analysis for engineering and management students in India. For further explanation, we will see in the next video lecture series. Thank you.